Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to play Valorant on MacBook in 2025. Even though there's no official macOS version, let's get started. So first, it's important to know that Valorant doesn't support macOS natively. Riot Games hasn't released a Mac version, and its anti-cheat system Vanguard doesn't run on macOS. That means normal installs or virtual machines like Parallels won't work. To play the Valorant, you need the Intel-based Mac, Apple Silicon Macs. This cannot run via Boot Camp because Apple doesn't support Windows on those chips. Open the Boot Camp Assistant from Applications and click the Utilities and use Install Windows 10 on Mac. You'll need at least 150 GB of free space for Windows plus game files. Follow the prompts and reboot into Windows when done. Once you're booted in Windows, open your browser and go to playvalorant.com. Download the installer and install both Riot Client and Vanguard anti-cheat. Then restart if prompted, and after that, launch the game and log in. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.